welcome back to another video. So I recently got back from the Lake District, and today we're going to be looking at some of the footage from the South Loop at Whinlatter Forest, and it's really going to be more of sort of a best bits highlights video rather than a full ride video. So I hope you enjoy. I'm going to keep post commentary to a minimum and just let the trails speak for themselves. And next video is going to be looking at Whinlatter North, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see that.
No idea what the line choice is here. Very cool slab. Yeah, this is fun. You can see why it's black. I mean, most of it's fine, but there are a couple of more tricky sections. Steep there. Kind of loose in some places. But mostly where it's rocky, it's these big slabs which are kind of fun to ride. Alright, back on the red section now. It's a bit more flowy as opposed to black, just a bit more techy. What that sign was for. This is so fun. Unreal. if you were better, you could absolutely fly off these jumps. Flows so nicely.